a force F vector is equal to alpha I cap plus 3j cap plus 6k cap is acting at a point. That means the vector question. Since the position vector of the point with respect to the origin will be they are acting, that is F vector is acting at a point, R vector, there is a 2i cap minus 6j cap minus 12k cap. The value of the alpha for which angular momentum about origin is conserved is we need to find here. Okay, alpha value we need to find here. Since the position vector of the point with respect to the origin will be R, that is the R vector is equal to, that is they are given 2i cap minus 6j cap minus 12k cap. Then the equation of the torque for the force that is a torque tow vector is equal to, we know that R vector into F vector. Then by solving this one with the help of the determinants, we get the value, that is the determinant of I cap, j cap and k cap. The values are R is equal to 2 minus 6 and minus 12, and F value is, that is alpha 3 and 6. Then by simplifying we get the value, that is a tow vector is equal to I cap that is equal to minus 6 into 6 into 6, then minus 12 into 3 plus, so then minus 12 into 3 minus j cap into 2 into 6 minus of minus 12 into alpha plus k cap, that is 2 into 3 minus of minus 6 into alpha. Then the tow vector which is equal to, we get the answer minus 6 into 6 36 minus of minus 12 into 3 is 36, then minus 36 and plus 36 which is equal to 0, that is a 0 into I cap minus of 2 6 are 12 minus minus 12 alpha, that we can write it as 12 plus 12 alpha, because minus sign is here, minus sign is there, then minus into minus that becomes plus here. Okay, then it is a j cap plus 6 plus 6 alpha into k cap. 2 3 is 6 minus minus plus 6 into alpha, that is 6 alpha. Then for angular momentum to be conserved about the origin, therefore the tau x is equal to 0 about the origin. Then we can write O0 I cap minus of 12 plus 12 alpha j cap plus 6 alpha k cap is equal to 0. Equating the coefficients of I, j, k respectively to 0, then we get alpha is equal to minus 12 divided by 12, which is equal to minus 6 divided by 6. Then if we simplify, we get the answer, that is minus 1. Then alpha value is minus 1. Option B is the right answer.